not dealing with this disrespect.
What's going on?
Here, let's go. And I want a certain hospital.
Your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Yeah.
Scumbag, I hope you die.
A licensed ICU nurse with 20 years of critical care experience climbs uninvited into a patrol car, refuses to identify herself, refuses to describe her symptoms, and ends up in a spit mask and handcuffs.
What the f*** right down the street? What the f*** is this?
I'm a nurse.
Hey, what?
20 years, I'm not dealing with this disrespect.
What's going on?
Here.
What is it?
She told me to get in your car.
Is that the dispatcher?
Yeah.
Okay, you can hang out now. We're here.
Oh, come on, I want to go.
Can you tell us what's going on first?
Come on, I want to go.
Go where?
I want to go to the hospital right now.
For what? What's the matter with you that you need to go?
I have to go to the hospital. I want to go right now.
Okay, fire rescue needs a reference, and you're going to be taken by EMS.
Come on, no, you don't get to, no. I know my rights. I'm a nurse. ICU, CCU,
okay.
20 years.
Okay.
Don't with me. Let's go. Take it back.
The ambulance is going to come check you out, okay?
Let's go.
What's wrong with this lady? I don't know.
Mom, hey, Mom.
Hey.
And you don't get to give advice. My mother of shit. I'm her in care. I'm in care of my mother, so you don't get to talk shit to my mother in any way. Get me? Redneck scumbags, man. I always had the best. I've lived in a lot of states, but I've always found that Florida police officers were the best.
What's your name?
The best of the best.
What's your name?
You're not proving that right now. Off.
What's your name?
I'm answering any questions. Let's go. I'm gonna go. I want to go.
All right, well, she can hang out here until EMS comes.
Yeah, let's go. Come on. I want some air, please.
What address did you come from?
None of your business.
Well, it kind of is, because you called the police.
Leave me the alone. Off. Pigs, man. I hate the police.
Well, why'd you call us then?
I didn't want to call you. I called the ambulance. You showed up.
Okay, well, the ambulance is here.
Well, good. Then walk me in the ambulance then. Right. Where's the ambulance? Where's the ambulance? I want to walk in the ambulance. Oh, wait, that's a trash. Oh.
No, it's behind the
That's the trash. That's only the trash.
Okay.
Stupid mother. 20 years. 20 years. ICU, CCU. Leave me the alone. Let's go. Let's go. And I want a certain hospital to go to.
Yeah. Well, we'll let the ambulance handle that, okay?
Yeah, you will. Oh, and you're not going to torture me back here, sir.
Well, you're on camera. There's not going to show any torture.
I know. You're not going to close the door either. How funny.
We're not. Yeah, it's been open.
No. Hey, look at these pigs. Help! No nurses like the police. Just let you that. Like, you should know that. We all hope you die. For real. Come on, man. Let's go. I want to be out of their care. Now! Scumbag. Look at you. Oh, I'm so snug with that. How my head on it. Oh my bullshit. Yeah! I'm above the law, aren't I?
Hey, so we literally have no clue what's wrong with her. She came out of the house acting like this. She won't even tell us her name.
Y'all were better than that.
She won't tell us what's wrong with her. She says she wants to go to a hospital.
Down here, you scumbag.
You guys know her?
Let's go. I want to go. I want to go now.
Oh, is that what she is?
I do know my rights.
See that in our
Let's
notes.
go.
So hold on. Wait. Hey, your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Hold on. Hey, put your other hand behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back. Put your other hand behind your back.
Break my nerves.
Stop. Ma'am. Are you hurt?
By you pig. Well, where is these?
Yeah.
Scumbag. I hope you die. Bitch. I hope you die. You
hey, do you got a spit mask?
Die.
Yeah, we need a spit mask. Stop.
Just
Big
relax.
Man, I hate that. Please
That's
get
okay.
off
Just
me.
relax.
Get him off me. Get him off me.
Just relax. We can check.
Get off me.
Hey, sit up.
We're gonna sit you up, okay? Okay? Please stop
Here we
fighting
go.
us and just relax.
Go off.
Can you hear what I'm telling you?
No.
All right, I'm gonna sit you up. Do not bite me. Do not.
Yourself on me, you fat pig. I hate the police.
Okay, that's all right.
God damn, man, you guys with
Here.
your cowboy hats.
Just all right. Just relax.
Oh man, these scumbags.
Hey, want to sit on this cooler so we can take your blood pressure?
Get my.
You want to sit on this cooler so we can take your blood pressure?
Yeah, I love for you,
Okay,
not for
bend your
you.
knee. Bend your knee.
No,
Bend your knee.
no, he's
a bad
trying to hide. Hey, keep
a bad
kicking
idea.
my vape. Keep kicking my vape, scumbag. I saw what you just
I
did.
threw it in the grass. Yeah.
Yeah, yo, why'd you do that? Why'd you do that? Why are you doing that? That's illegal, is that not?
Put her in the car.
That's my personal property.
Yeah.
No, get my
We have
vape.
no
It's right
idea
there.
what she's
It's
on.
right there.
We don't need her passing.
No,
out the
you.
car.
I'm not on anything. I'm not on anything. I'm a nurse of 20 years. Are you kidding me?
What's your name, dear?
Go by the house for the
I'm trying to help you out, so help me help you.
No, 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 no. Get my vape. You can't kick my vape. I'll
Listen to me,
sue
listen,
you.
listen.
This is the fire guy, okay?
Listen, just to help me and I'm gonna help you. You're gonna be cool.
Okay, well,
So what's your
I'll sue
name?
you. I'll sue you.
Okay, but tell me your name. And what happened? Are you okay? Did she bite you or anything?
No, she was spitting.
She squeezed my arm.
No, you didn't. Get the out of here. Nobody squoves nothing on you.
Alright, listen, there's no-
You're a liar. You're a liar.
No injuries or nothing.
What a liar. Let me see. Where's your injury?
Ma'am, are you hurt?
I'm a nurse. Let me see your injury.
Don't do that. Are you
No,
hurt?
I want to see the injury. Where? Let me see it.
Open
Point
your
it
phone. Are you
down.
hurt?
You're in the sunlight. Point it down. You have no injury. You're
Oh,
a
that's funny.
liar. You're a liar. What a liar! You're a liar! What a scumbag! All liars! Beat the shit out of me!
Hey, we need it. I'm out of harm.
Go off,
No, we're
man.
good. We're
Yes,
good.
put it on me. Let's go.
Keep it in our pocket.
No, we're not doing that.
Let's go. I want to go to the hospital. Let's
For what?
go.
For what? Tell me for what?
I don't know. I can't wait to sue your ass, though.
But tell me what's wrong so I can fix it.
So I'm gonna sue you. You beat the brakes off me
How about before that?
when you beat the shit out of me.
I need to help
I
you
don't know.
out.
I'm making my mom a millionaire. Mom, don't worry about it. I'm gonna make you a millionaire.
Ma'am, what's
These
your
pigs, these scumbags.
what's your address?
Do you have any allergies and medication?
Yep,
anything?
all of them. Yeah.
It's easy enough.
Naproxen, sodium chloride, penicillin D. You wanna keep going? Shut up!
Tell me your name.
You're a piece of shit cop. I hate the police. Die, all of you.
No, not my
Hey, kick all my shit over there. Hey, please pick up my vape. Nurse at 20 years. What scum? What scumbags? I hope you all die. I called for a ambulance.
Who's the ambulance for? For your mom or
Me.
for you? Why you need an ambulance? When they get here, I need to tell them something.
Oh, that got out of hand in a hurry.
Yeah. They told us we were cleared. We get to there and they're screaming on the radio for us to stop the stage and back out. I'm like,
Who told you to do that?
Our dispatch.
Why?
That's why I got in your car. You don't do shit about it.
Yeah, because we're both standing here like, what the hell?
You're so scared. You're so scared. You're so scared.
I wouldn't. Don't do that.
Don't tell me what to do.
Don't do that.
oh, you don't do that. No, I'm just doing it.
Get off of me. Leave me alone. I'm not hurting you. Leave me alone.
Yep, don't do that. Don't do that.
Then leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Okay, tighten those up, man. They're a little loose.
Don't hurt me.
Hold on.
Don't hurt me. Hey, they're hurting me. Yeah, all of them
Watch
are.
your finger.
Yeah.
You're gonna slip out of these.
Police nurse at 20 years here. ICU, help me! Get me out of here now.
We're gonna get you on the stretcher and we're
Let's
gonna take
go.
you to the hospital,
Look
okay?
at them hurting me, and they kick my vape. They with me.
I get your baby. Tell me your name.
Here, right here,
What's your name?
right there. Grab the vape.
Tell me your name.
Grab my vape.
Okay.
Grabbing her what?
The vape. My vape. My vape.
Stand up.
phone?
Stand up.
Stand up. Sit down, Ralph.
Stand up.
All right.
Stand up.
Grab her.
Are you gonna stand up or no?
No.
We're gonna go.
You grab it.
Now you stand up.
Cops,
You okay?
I hope you die.
Let's
be careful,
your
man.
legs. We're taking you to the hospital right
By the way, that's not implied anything.
Oh, it's implied consent.
No, it's not.
100% it is.
No, me saying I hope you die is not consent. God damn, drop dead.
Just watch yourself. No, you. Watch yourself. She'll kick you.
No, I'm
Yeah.
not gonna kick nobody. She's a liar.
Actually, do you guys have any other masks that you can give us?
Maybe? Okay.
All right.
Who's 51K?
I don't know.
And then I have a felony case.
Yeah, for Battery and Leo.
For battery today or battery a
Right
different
now.
day? Okay. You guys transfer up here?
So we get a call of I need fire rescue. We're pulling up, and then she's running down the street screaming. I go to get out of my car. She jumps in the back of my car, and she's like, "Take me to the hospital now!" And I'm like, "Get the out of my car!"
Give me a break. Get
She goes
out
to
of here.
running and grab her,
Get
and she starts fighting. So
Get him out of my face.
She calls emergency services, then obstructs every person who responds. She invokes her nursing credentials while withholding the exact information a nurse knows paramedics need most. Was this arrest constitutionally sound? Did deputies exhaust every legal tool available to them? And does a guilty plea actually mean justice was served? The answers are not as simple as the footage suggests. Fourth Amendment and voluntary contact, a person who enters a law enforcement vehicle without being ordered to, has not been seized under the Fourth Amendment. No constitutional seizure occurs until deputies take affirmative restraining action. Use of force, Graham v. Connor, 490 US, 386, 1,989 force must meet an objective reasonableness standard, evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. 3 controlling factors: severity of offense, immediate threat, and active resistance. Battery on law enforcement officer, Florida statute 784.07, battery against a law enforcement officer on the performance of lawful duties, is elevated from a misdemeanor to a third-degree felony under Florida law. This enhancement carries up to 5 years in state prison and a $5,000 fine. Spitting is criminal battery, Floyd v. State 569. So 2D 1225 F-Late, 1st DCA 1990 Florida. Florida courts have established that intentional expectorating on another person constitutes offensive harmful contact, meeting the statutory definition under Section 784.03. Combined with Section 784.07, this elevates the act to a third-degree felony automatically. Flight and investigatory detention, Illinois v. Wardlow, 528 U.S. 119 2000 unprovoked flight from law enforcement is a relevant articulable factor in a reasonable suspicion analysis sufficient to justify a brief investigatory stop under the framework established in Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1968. First Amendment protection, City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 451 1987, profane and offensive speech directed at law enforcement officers is constitutionally protected. Verbal abuse, regardless of severity or content, cannot form the sole basis for arrest. No charges were filed for verbal conduct here. That outcome was legally correct. Involuntary psychiatric examination, Florida Statute 394.463, the Baker Act, 3 elements are required. First, the officer has reason to believe the person has a mental illness. Second, the person has refused voluntary examination. Third, a real and present of substantial harm to self or others exists. The Baker Act threshold is a reasonable, articulable belief, not a clinical diagnosis. It requires probable cause of a mental health crisis, meeting the danger criterion, not probable cause of a criminal offense. This distinction is foundational. The statute was available throughout this encounter. It was not invoked. Civil liability, 42 U.S.C. Section 1983, a civil rights claim, and Section 1983 requires proof that a clearly established constitutional right was violated. Proportional force applied to an actively resisting, fleeing subject does not satisfy this threshold under Graham and its federal progeny. Lessons from this case: 3 principles. First, arresting for speech alone violates City of Houston v. Hill. Officers who charge subjects solely for verbal conduct expose their agencies to Section 1983 liability and near certain reversal on appeal. Second, spitting on an officer in Florida is not a misdemeanor. Under sections 784.03 and 784.07, read together with Floyd v. State, it is a third-degree felony from the moment of contact. The charge filed here was correct. The reduction at plea was prosecutorial discretion, not legal error. Third, the Baker Act is an underused tool in encounters involving apparent psychiatric crisis. Florida Statute 394.463 does not require a criminal predicate. It requires observed behavior meeting a danger threshold. When that threshold is met, initiating a hold may be more appropriate than a criminal arrest. Open questions. At what point during this encounter did the Baker Act threshold become legally sufficient? Is erratic behavior in the context of a self-initiated medical call enough to satisfy the real and present threat criterion under Section 394.463? Does a professional medical license create a higher legal standard for evaluating a person's capacity to refuse treatment? And when a felony battery on a law enforcement officer is reduced to simple misdemeanor battery, does the sentence still reflect the gravity of the original offense? This case sits at the intersection of criminal law, mental health law, and constitutional doctrine in ways that a guilty plea does not resolve. The legal questions it raises extend well beyond what happened on that street in December 2025. The full analysis continues.